Morning children, let's continue our chapter. Chapter 7, Getting to Know Plants. So children, next part of the plant is flower. Okay. So children, this is the structure of a flower. Okay. Flower has four main parts. The sepals, petals, sepals, petals, stamen and pistil. Okay. So this is the LS of flower. So it is very easy to identify a plant from its flower. Why? Because flowers may be of many sizes, but most of them are brightly colored. The flowers, they are mostly bright in color, and they are the organs of reproduction of a plant. So children, flower, it is the reproductive part of a plant. Okay, the main parts of a flower are, see children, they are the parts of a flower: sepals, petals, stamens and pistil. Okay, देखो children, sepals. Okay, this is sepals. Okay, see here, देखो this is sepals, petals, stamens and pistil. So sepals means children, see, देखो, these are the small green leaf-like structures. Okay, sepals, they are small green leaf-like structures present at the base of the flower. So sepals, they are present at the base of the flower. Okay, and they are green in color. They protect the petals in the bud stage. Okay, sepals, they protect the petals in the bud stage. When the flower in bud stage, so sepals protect its petals and provide support to the petals when the buds open to form a flower. Next part is petals. So petals means these are the flat, broad, generally colored structure. The petal is the colored structure of the plant. Okay, present in a flower. So they may be of one or more layers. Okay, they may be separated or joined to one another. So they may be separated or joined to one another, and they attract the flies and insects. So why petals are brightly colored? Because they attract the flies and insects for pollination. Then next part is stamen. See children, this is the stamen part of the flower. Okay, it is the male reproductive organ. So this is the male part of the plant, stamen. So these are placed inside the petals and can be seen completely only after removing the petals. Okay, and they are the male reproductive organ. So sepal, they are the male reproductive organ of the flower, and they consist of two parts: a long, see children, this is a long thin tube-like structure called filament, okay, and a sac-like structure attached to its top called anther. Okay, so stamens had two parts: filament, stalk, it is the stalk-like part, okay, and this is the sac-like structure attached at the top. This is called the anther. Children, anther contains the yellow dust called pollen grain. Okay, and stamen, it is the male part of the flower. Then pistil. Pistil children, this is the diagram of pistil. Okay, this is the female part of the flower, and it has also three parts. देखो, stigma, style and ovary, and ovary contains ovule. Okay, देखो, stigma, style, ovary. Inside the ovary there are ovules, and pistil, it is the female part of the flower. देखो, pistil, it is the innermost part of a flower. Okay, it is the female reproductive organ of a flower, and it consists of a top portion called the stigma. This is stigma, followed by a tube-like structure called style, and the style ends in a thickened ovary. Okay, ovary. The ovary contains small bead-like structures, because मोतियों की तरह दिखता है, small bead-like structures called ovule. ठीक है, inside the ovary there are bead-like structures called ovules. Okay. Next is pollination. Pollination means the flower develops into fruit. Okay, flower is the reproductive part of a plant. The flower develops into fruit only when the pollen grains from the anther get transferred to the stigma of the pistil. ठीक है, the transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. Okay, so this process is called pollination. After pollination, the ovary grows to form the fruit. Okay, after pollination, the ovary the ovules fuse with the pollen grains. Okay, and the ovary grows to form a fruit. Ovary क्या बनाती है? Fruit बनाती है, and the ovules form the seed. और ovules क्या बनाते हैं? Seeds बनाते हैं. When mature, the fruits fall to the ground, the seed germinate into sapling which grow into a plant. Okay children? Okay children, now the chapter is complete. Thank you.